Okay, Mr. Lease from AQR. This is a thing on the amortization tables. There's an easier way to do these. So let's go ahead and put together a few options right here. Right here at cell A1, I'm just going to put down the value of the car or value of the loan that we're going to be calculating, and we're going to do a car loan. This works for anything. I'm going to put down big N, or the total number of months to pay off. Let's see, then finally right over here, we got to go ahead and do the monthly payment. Let's see. Ooh, wait a minute. Before I forget that, I need the APR, or the interest rate. Okay, so that's, they're going to go ahead and put PMT. And let me see. I think that's about it. Oh, we got little n, which is the number of payments per year that we're going to be doing. So we have first our initial car loan. Let's go ahead and do a loan of $24,000. And right here, I'm going to also go ahead and tell it that this field right here is going to be money. That way it automatically does that for us. And let's do this for a 3-year car loan, so 36 payments. Interest is going to be approximately, let's do a loan at, let's see, a car loan at 5%. So I put down percentage after it, automatically changes that to percentage. And that's a really good thing right here. You can see that. And let's go ahead and calculate the payment. Well, before that, let me change this little n and the PMT. So little n is 12 payments per year. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and hit this button right here. It says insert function. We're going to insert payment, and we can see that PMT. So when you hit OK, it gives us this field. First it asks for the rate, which is our interest rate. And so you just click right here, it brings up this B3. And one more thing before we do that, since it's divided amongst 12 payments per year, we have to divide it by 12. Then it says total number of payments for the loan, so that'd be our big N, which is 36. PV, which is our present value for the loan, and that's about it. Let's see. Now, right here, also another thing is that this comes out to be negative. So we have to do one little thing before we do this. So this is FV. We don't need to worry about that. And type, we don't need to worry about that. Because the FV is going to be 0. We're going to pay this off. So hit that. And we have a negative number. That's why it's red. So I'm just going to go into the format right here. Just to show you, I click on this cell and I double click. And I hit negative. So that way we know that the payment right here. So we know that that's payment. So let's put together our amortization table. So we have months. We have interest. We have our principal. And whoops, lost that part. And finally we have our balance. Or new balance, however you want to say it. On the first one, which is month 0, our interest is going to be based off of nothing. So we have 0 right there. Principal is going to be 0, and then we have balance. I hit equal sign, and I'm going to go ahead and reference that cell. So that way that gets automatically pulled in right there. Equal to, I'm going to go ahead and take the information from the previous cell and add 1. So that way we can go ahead and pull it together for another month. So our interest, hit equal to, I'm going to take the balance and we're going to multiply that by the interest percentage that we have right here. And I'm going to hit F4. F4 will go ahead and put those dollar signs right there. It means we're going to reference that cell and that cell only. It's not going to move. And we're going to multiply that. Actually, we're going to divide that by 12. So there's the interest for one full month. Principal is going to be equal to our monthly payment, which we also go ahead and hit F4, and we're going to subtract the interest from the previous month. Then we go ahead and put that payment towards our loan, so this is equal to our balance minus the principal, and there we go. So if we go ahead and highlight this and bring this cursor down to that point and get the little crosshairs, and there we go. As you can see, the system automatically put together the payment and everything. So we're going to go ahead and do this for 36 months because that's the total number of payments that we're doing. Right now we're up to 27 months. So let's go ahead and pull that a little bit further. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Let's see, about right there. And as you can see, we have no more balance after that. So that's it. So this is how you do all your calculations very, very quickly. You can even do this for 0% interest. And that's the interest that it gives you. So since it's never going to be changing, that goes all the way down here. And actually we can change this total number of payments to 24 because that's 2 years. Let's see, 24 payments, and we're making payments of $1,000 per month, and we'll be done at right at 24. So either way, that's how we do it. Okay, for the assignment, you can just take this table and just print it out, and we'll go ahead and see it from there. Thank you very much.